right. Our bus is here. Saan tayo punta, ate? Don't know. Yeah. Mami, gata. Okay, we're here. Sabi ni Daddy, dito daw kami maglalakad. Hi!
Say hi to Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Donut.
Ano kaya yung Hort House and the pond? Yeah, go ate. Go, go, go. Go with Daddy. I'll take a video of you.
You want to hold Daddy?
So, init. Pero buti mahangin. Buti mahangin. Hi! Let's go!
Let's go, follow Daddy.
Sabi kasi bridge lang daw yung pupuntahan. So, after nito, we go home. Habang may bus stop pa. Whoa!
Oh, don't cry.
Nakabukas na yung electric fan niya.
Hawak-hawak yun.
Oh, ate, this is the bridge that we always see. It's called the Henderson Waves.
Hindi ito yun.
Ay, hindi pa ba yun?
Hindi naman Henderson. Henderson doon pa.
Ay, ano tawag dito sa, ano na to? OMG. Ano ba to si Mami? Dito na nakatira ng 5 taon, hindi pa rin alam kung ano lugar to. Kako, dito na nakatira ng 5 taon, hindi pa rin kabisado yung mga pangalan ng mga lugar. Yeah.
Daddy's office, ate, oh.
There.
Yeah, that building.
That building.
No,
Yeah.
that's where Daddy works.
So, saan kami dadali ng Daddy?
This is clear. This is people, but people can get it.
That is good. Not even nighttime.
I'm in the jungle.
We're in a what?
Para makadaan.
Jungle?
Dapat yung daan natin.
Good morning, but it seems like sarado. Yeah. Ito kami ngayon sa Henderson Waves. Yo. Ang sarado. Yeah, notice Peps, hindi natin alam. Due to slope. Ito, meron hindi kami matutuloy.
Please use the alternative route.
Ay, may alternative route pala. Kaso sa Talok lang, ah.
Huh?
Tama ba?
Let's go.
So, from here, dun kami.
Oy, here.
Let's go.
Dahan-dahan. Ate,
Dahan-dahan lang.
ano sabi dito, oh? No lighting provided. Paggabi.
Oo.
Ikaw, Mami.
Kadi, si ano na lang, Daddy maghawak sa'yo. Gusto mo?
Ate, where are you?
You hear the sounds. Yeah. Oo nga eh, sa taas. Kaso dito kami, Earth Trail. Medyo madulas yung daan. Ingat. Papalaban yung mga sapatos natin ah. Wow.
Trekking pala dapat yung wow.
Oh ate, there's water oh.
There's a water stream.
Wow. Hi kayo, look oh, water.
Hoy.
Let's
Ate,
go.
are you like here?
Look at where you're going.
Sarado yung bridge ate, dapat we should be
Oo.
next time.
Dapat kung kami sa ta.
Pagawa na yung bridge.
Yes, sarado.
Ito, trekking shoes pala namin.
May trail naman. So, okay lang. Napilit kami ni Daddy
Ate.
mag-trekking.
No
At si
reason to
ate
be
ay
scared.
nasa stress. Dahil takot at hindi sanay sa ganitong lakaran.
I will bring you here every day.
Ay, nature.
Are you not in nature, Robert? Why? Because you're an iPad lang tayo. Pero ano bridge tayo? Ang bridge ng buhay natin.
Ay, wala, sarado eh.
Ate, kasi tayo na naglalakad oh. Saan kita? You know, ayun patag na oh. Not even ano anymore.
Let's go.
Sundan natin yung kulay eh, kasi cross nito yung ano eh, Henderson.
Susan na tayo. Bumalik na tayo.
Hindi, Henderson yan, labas niya.
Oo, may ansa. Oh, go, go. 1, 2, 3. Run!
Wait lang. Ano tayo? Henderson yan. Kung gusto yung mag-street, wait.
O, tara.
Cold water, ice tubig, malamig.
Drink ka na rin, Daddy.
Ikaw?
Hindi, ako.
Why?
Naiihi ako eh.
Umihi ka sa pants.
Giyak. Nakakita kami dito. Mga bata, pagod na si ate. Ate, you're very
Yan,
much
kasi
like
kung
mommy.
ano,
It's
meron
okay.
kayo iPad eh. iPad pa more.
It's okay. Nice ate, yun rin na mo. Oh, sige na nga.
Thank you, Aqua Flash. Here.
Ay, dapat kami.
Okay na yun, thank you. Mahangin naman pala.
Medyo Makati nga. So, no wonder si kay Tony na.
Enjoy the tree.
Yung puntahan.
I prefer love.
Yeah. At the same time, na-enjoy rin ng mga tao. Mga tao, si Kai. Oo, Kai, look at where you're going.
So far.
Hindi, dito ka. Don't go out from the trail.
Pero may mapupuntahan tayo, may mga park pa. Pero sa may ano na, Telok Blanga Green Car Park 2.
She doesn't.
We will go more often on this time para masanay ka.
Yeah. Masanay kasi kayo ng puro lagi sa
Sorry.
Daddy. Kasal ka na rin.
Wow, kapal mo. Hindi ano, kapal ko mo. Ngayon ko lang. Sakamat ko siya.
Grabe.
Take your time. Dapat ano lang ako.
Nag?
Parang nakarating lakad na ako. Tama na tayo ng poro sa mga bata.
Right. So here, paakyat. This is Forest Walk. Henderson Waves to Mount Faber.
Dito tayo.
This way. Pala, ito, Daddy. This way. The Henderson Waves.
Wave ba yun?
Right now, we conquered the Earth Trail. Hooray!
Say kayo, yay!
Congrats! Hooray! Alright? You did it. Hooray! Oh, yan. Oh, don't cry na. Congratulations, baby. Next time we go again.
Hindi na malakas ba pa? Hindi.
Ichi. Daddy Ichi daw. Tingnan mo. It's okay. We buy a bug bite.
It's not awi.
Sa every lakad talaga, hindi mo iiwasan yung ganito. Ang batang umiiyak dahil kinagat ng bugs. Ang batang nonchalant. At ang daddy na mainit ang ulo. Ay, nako. Back from the outside world. Hello, Talok Blanga people. Ito na kami. Sanang grand welcome. So, after ilang araw ng paglalakad sa Earth Trail, dito po kami. Ang naging lang ho namin ay dami ng kagat ng lamok. Kami ni Tony.
At konsumisyon.
Si Daddy konsumisyon. Si Mami very slight lang.
Taxi na nga yan. Pauwi mo na yan.
Sa bus stop, sa may Talok Blang eh.
Ay na, ito.
Ano ba? Na ito. Ikaw, di ka inom?
Amen.
So, inom muna kami ng tubig after kumain ng tsokolate.
Ay, is ano, charging up ng ay. Go! Baba na tayo. Kumain na tayo sa Safra kung gusto mo.
Yes, Safra. Mini
May kainan
Safra.
na, diba?
Yes.
Sa food court. May ano rito, baka naging sa mapa, may wedding venue. Alcott Mansion. Historic Mansion wedding venue. Konti na lang ato. Ay, pipi na? Done? Done pipi? Ayan. Pipi na. Go. Pipi.
Why is no fish there?
So, gaganon tayo.
There's fish
Paano
there.
Anderson Way
I know.
tayo?
Dati pa day kami maglakad dito, diba?
Ay kayo, there's a pond.
There are fishes there.
Ay, may mga fish.
And hindi turtles.
Ay, kay.
Look.
Oo, no.
That's a butterfly, ate.
Wow.
See how many turtles you see.
Wow. May gusto pala rito.
Hello, baby girl. Journey continues to Henderson Wave.
Wala siya nakikitang ibang tao.
Oo, totoo. Baka natakot lang
Yeah,
bata.
there are uncles there.
Yeah. Ngayon mas marami ng tao eh, so
Uncle,
yeah. Not dancing but exercising, baby.
You see it?
Okay na siya. Thank you, Lord.
I want to go there.
No. Pa kami ulit, papuntang Henderson Wave. Oh, here, maybe. Don't block the way. See, the reason why I'm pulling you, because you're blocking the way.
Parang yung ano lang po, yung Bukit Formay Hill Camp Park.
Yeah, it's a similar park on our community, baby.
It's just steeper.
Yeah, a bit steeper. But it's cool. Yeah, I like it. Ah, so good. Okay,
talaga.
toilet break.
Nakaihi siya.
Nakaihi.
Tagal nga lang.
Eh, kasi napipigilan niya na mag-ihi eh. Ayan. Bili muna kami ng Milo as request ng mga bata. Leo, inom ka na.
Crying na ikaw mo. Habang tayo kain.
At ang ulo ko eh.
Ay, sorry.
Naghanap na ako ng
Oh, wait
kape.
lang, wait. Wala, nilagyan na. Dinosaur is now Milo. Has no Milo.
Hindi ko nag-up ng coffee.
Okay.
Did you hear that?
Oh.
There's a sound of water. Let's go. Baka dito. Yeah, nandiyan. Pero, pahinga muna tayo, Daddy. May langgam ah. Be careful. Ayun, ayun. Baka maupuan mo. There, on the seat. Ate, you help at na. Uupuan mo na yung langgam.
This one. Want to sit down? Sit down.
Oh, you can also, Go, ate. I still cannot figure out how to sit down.
What's cold water? Congratulations, mommy. Cold water.
Ayun na yung Henderson. Pero, pahinga muna, pahinga. Me and Daddy were in Singapore for 5 years already. But this is the... We've been in Singapore for 5 years already, but this is the first time that we ever been here. And it's very near our home, you know.
It's very near on our home.
Yeah.
Last time.
No, not last time. Where we currently living, baby. So this is the Henderson Wave.
Henderson Wave.
Yeah, you can tell your classmates. Hey, we went to the Henderson Waves last Saturday. So hot and very tiring, but we went there anyways and it's so much fun. Right?
And Vivo City.
Yeah, and after that we went to Vivo City.
Play in the Sangam.
Yeah, I will take Daddy and Kaykay's video and Ate too. Look at Daddy, happy!
Smile. Kai, smile.
Very good.
Ate, very good, oh.
Yeah, so pretty na nga ni Ate. Let's go, Ate, pretty girl.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No need to run. Just walk.
Go kids, enjoy! Okay lang. Magtatakbo sila dito. It's okay. Go. You can walk. Henderson Waves.
Ito pala yun.
Ate! Wait for Mommy and Daddy.
No, Mommy, kakay lang sa baba. Wala ako. Kay. Wow, wait lang ate. Ate.
Dito ate oh.
Holy shit. Tony, don't look down, man. Natitingin sa baba. Wow. Metropolis. This is the Metropolis.
Hi, Daddy.
Para kung nanunula po ba?
Can you see it, ate? From here?
No.
There are buildings. See the buildings and the trees? Yeah. Sige lang, Daddy. Entertain ko lang tong mga bata. Enjoy, guys. I got that. You're so funny. How about your robot dance? Oh, careful. Oh, you can sit down there, oh. Wow. robot dance, ate? How's the robot dance? Go. So funny. So that's it for our Henderson wave trip. Yan na, ate. We're going down and we're going to eat. Nasaan si Tony? Baba na kami. Where, Daddy? May babaan dito, but I don't know where this one goes to. But there's also one here. Dito, eto. Eto yung bababaan natin. This one. This one daw. Tapos, ang labas nito, isa sa may Safra.
Parang may mga parking pa nga dyan.
Oh. But we are going here. Kain muna kami sa Safra. Ah, sige. Yeah. You want to go back there? In the Henderson wave? Then let's bring your scooter.
Yeah.
Alright. We bring your scooter and then Kai will bring his bike. Ang gundo. Ingay nung ano no, nung ibon. That's a bird, ate.
Mom, why are we gonna eat on Safra?
Because I'm hungry na. Aren't you hungry?
No.
You're not hungry? I think you're hungry.
No.
We're going down so fast. Can you do it by yourself? Oh! Go! I'm taking a video of you. This is the road down to Safra. Yay! I can see it.
I can see the playground.
You can see a playground.
Yeah.
Yung dalawa.
Ito ko ng kay-kay.
Grabe, kay-kay, uy. Yan. So, dito na kami. At ang ulo ko, gusto ko na uminom ng maraming kape na mainit.
No, Mommy.
Kaya gano'n no, baby. Ang mga Pinoy, we Filipinos, even though it's super duper hot, we still drink coffee. A hot coffee. Let's see. Wait for Daddy. Kay.
Excavator. Kapagura ng bata.
Whoa, there's a butterfly. Tony, also. Yeah. Somebody's playing tennis, oh. Yep. Ay, oo nga, no? What's that? I don't know. Oh. Yay! We're here! Daddy, are you sure this is... Yeah, this is Safra! This is Safra! Hindi ko alam na may ganitong lugar dito. Ayun nga, no? Sila yung kanina.
Ayun, siguro yun yung pababa. Yan yun.
Oh, nice.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Time.
Hindi ko na alam na may ganyang place sa Safra. I mean, malapit sa Safra. 5 years. Singapore, 5 years. Maraming salamat po sa opportunity na to. Ha? Pasensya na po. Ako po yung hindi lumalabas ng bahay talaga.
Mommy, I think Toy Story.
Uy, may singing. Ah, that's inside Safra.
No, yan eh.
Nga.
Yung members lang. Don't worry ate, when we become PRs, you can see that.
Actually, PR tapos dapat NSC kay. O, pang NS lang yan eh. We're back to Safra.
We will go home first.
Yeah, the Toy Story is in Vivo.
Yeah.
That's our end destination later.
Pero later pa yun.
For the day.
We will
Yeah.
eat,
In
go
the afternoon.
home, rest, shower,
Yes.
and then go back to the mall.
Yeah!
But you need to dance first.
Oh, dance.
Show
Show
your
Daddy.
Ito pa.
Oh. Show.
Show your dance.
Show your dance. Do. Ate, your robot dance. You should, the robot dance. Ngayon lang ako ganito kasaya na makita ang Sakura. Thank you. Ay, meron naman kainan dun sa ano. May, ang tawag dyan? Oo, may hawkers. May, yun lang, mainit. Pero dito kasi may aircon. So, sana bukas ang kainan. Please? Let's see, let's see.
And quiet.
Yeah, peace and quiet. But Tony is noisy. Our brunch.
Masyado namin si Tony sa hangin.
Kaipit naman siya eh. Enjoy, Daddy. Thank you.
Obviously, shoot tayo po. Go.
Ayan, look.
Kay. Mini Mo.
Mimi Mo. Mimi Mo. Mimi Mo. Mimi Mo.
Baka matamaan yung ano, Mami Diyos na.
Mimi Mo. Mimi Mo.
Siguro kahit hindi na nila ubos.
Celebrating na wala.
You cannot go there, Kai. Mag-NS ka dito, sige. Para may space. May ano si Mommy and Daddy.
Talaga ba?
Oh, pang NS lang ito. Pang
Kasi kung
family
mga
lang
foreign,
nilagyan.
marami.
Yay! Good job! High five! High five!
Very easy.
Pala ka ano, yung dessert.
Hindi, babes. Painting. High five! Good job! Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go, let's go! Paano?